Parallax Error Beheads You is the third studio album by Ben Jacobs under his staged name of Max Tundra. The album was released on 20 October 2008 through Domino Records. Tundra worked on the album for 6 years. Release: on 29 September 2008, the first single from the album, titled We'll Get Fooled Again, was released on 7 vinyl and as a digital download. A music video for the single was first uploaded to Tundra's MySpace on 17 September 2008. Parallax Error Beheads You was released in the United Kingdom on 20 October 2008 and in the United States on 18 November 2008 on LP and compact disc. A special edition of the album will be released in the United Kingdom. To celebrate the album's release, Domino Records released a version of Max Tundra's Kosher Chicken Soup that includes a special link to download a copy of his album plus a bonus download album of covers called Best Friends. Best Friends is a reinterpretation of the song from Max Tundra's first album Some Best Friend You turned out to be by his friends. On 5 June 2010, Max Tundra effectively announced on Twitter that Parallax Error Beheads You would be the final Max Tundra album, but on 30 March 2012 he tweeted, "I've started work on the new Max Tundra album." Reception: initial critical response to Parallax Error Beheads You was positive. At Metacritic, which assigns a normalized rating out of 100 to reviews from mainstream critics, the album has received a score of 76, based on 18 reviews. Track listing: all songs by Ben Jacobs. Gum Chimes 326. We'll Get Fooled Again 320. Which Song 521. My Night Out 156. Orphan 425. Nordlied 3241. The Entertainment 258. Number Our Days 332. Glycemic Index Blues 305. Until We Die 1103. Personnel: Ben Jacobs, performer, design. Matthew Cooper, design. Nilesh Nils Patel, mastering. Elenitsa Ligapaulu, design. Release history. References. External links. Parallax Error Beheads You at Metacritic.